Welcome back to Outback Adventures. I'm your host, Zoey Milan. Hey girls, does this ever happen to you? When you spend a little too much time putting on your makeup and you come out of the club and your battery's dead? When you come out of the club and your battery's dead and you need to move your car, today I'm going to show you how. You're going to need to put your foot on the brake. Second thing, you need to pull up the plastic part in the cubby. Next, you need to put the screwdriver in the hole, push down, and turn it to neutral. Now, you can move the car wherever you need to, even after a good night at the club.